Learning German is a very simple as well as complicated too. In our last videos, we have seen the verb conjugations in regular form. Today, we'll be learning about the German irregular verbs. In our previous lesson about regular verbs, we have learned that you can simply conjugate a verb by adding the appropriate ending to the stem of the verb. But there are also German irregular verbs where the stem changes as well. In our previous lessons, you have learned about the verb conjugations in present tense. And today's lesson is about simple past tense and past perfect. For an action in the past, there are basically two options in German: the Präteritum and the perfect. The Präteritum is used in the written language, especially in newspapers and books. The Präteritum in English is simple past tense, but usually the Präteritum is not used in everyday language in German. It is rather used as a written language. Germans commonly use the perfect in their speech in order to refer to the past. The sentence formation for both tenses are similar in English and German languages because both tenses refer to completed actions of the past. Examples: Ich aß einen Kuchen. Ich aß einen Kuchen. I ate a cake, which is in past tense. Wir gingen ins Kino. Wir gingen ins Kino. We went to a movie. Ich trank eine Limonade. Ich trank eine Limonade. I drank a lemonade. Ich sang ein Lied. Ich sang ein Lied. I sang a song. German imperfect verb forms can be either regular, that is the weak verbs, or irregular, the strong verbs. You need to conjugate the imperfect verb form according to person and number. Just like in English, the German verbs haben and sein can be both full verbs and auxiliary verbs. You use these verbs with the Präteritum when you want to say what you possessed or have possessed something, and when you want to say where you were or have been to. For example, ich hatte einmal einen Hund. Ich hatte einmal einen Hund. I once had a dog. Ich hatte heute Morgen keine Zeit. Ich hatte heute Morgen keine Zeit. I don't have time this morning, which also means as I had no time this morning. Ich war gestern im Kino. Ich war gestern im Kino. I was at the movies yesterday. Ich war schon zweimal in Deutschland. Ich war schon zweimal in Deutschland. I have been twice to Germany. The presents and Präteritum are the two fully conjugated forms in German. That is, they don't use an auxiliary verb. So, it's good to learn them together.